Family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. We are back with another unboxing for our day 7 of our Loops and Bead Christmas Advent Calendar, y'all. We're counting down. I don't know how everyone is feeling about the holiday season. I hope you all are just making it your own. Don't feel pressured. Don't feel like, oh my goodness, I have to meet these standards, so I have to do this, or my family have to. Listen, come up with the things that you value the most, implement that into any holiday, and make it your own. That's me. I'm not going to by anyone's standards or what they say. Listen, if this is what I want to do, this is what I'm going to do. As long as it meets those criteria of making me happy, making my family happy, and it has love in the base, listen, it don't matter what nobody else say. Long as you are happy, you have peace, you have great intentions and love in your heart, that's all that matters. And we're about to get into day 7 of this Loops and Bead Christmas Advent Calendar, y'all. We had a good time so far unboxing a lot of these things. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think so far. I'm trying to get tongue-tied. Like, what y'all think so far about the Loops and Bead Christmas Calendar unboxing? Let me know. And we are going to look at day 7. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, we got a pattern, guys. We got, okay, pattern number 3 of 5. So I said, I think it was in the first video, that we have 5 patterns throughout the whole Advent calendar. And we are on number 3, and we have a cute, I mean cute, ooh, 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 cute color. We have a lilac. We have the Parfait Chunky Lilac. I feel like I'm just like, we have Parfait Chunky Lilac yarn. Okay, so we have Parfait Chunky Lilac yarn for our day 7 unboxing, and it comes with the amazing pattern. We have Pipsqueak the Chick. Ooh, by Sheepish Stitches. This is going to be awesome. So it says use supplies from day 7 and 8. And what is awesome about this one would be, it's a chick, and it's in this lilac. Like, listen, I'm excited to see the pattern. Okay, so it comes also with a lot of safety eyes, which are awesome. I've got some of these before, and I have my own safety eyes that I ordered off of AliExpress. And the backing for mine are totally different. These backings are like amazing compared to the ones, because they're smooth. And I do have like a safety eye gig that I use to put them on. So they are still awesome, you know, to use. But these, I find when I use one for a snake that I did, I'm pretty sure that video is already posted. I use these safety eyes that I got in one of her packages, and these go on smooth, guys. So we have safety eyes for this week. We have this beautiful lilac yarn, and we have a pattern. And again, I'm going to say it again, Pipsqueak the Chick by Sheepish Stitches. And I have not heard of Sheepish Stitches. Sheepish Stitches. I don't get tongue-tied a little bit. So I have not heard of her before, so I'm excited to look at that pattern. I'm excited. This is giving me more like Easter vibes. Easter, when I think of the chick and then a lilac. So I don't know. It's exciting to kind of think about it before I actually see it, I guess. So I'm excited to see that. And like I say, y'all, we're counting down. We're getting closer. Do not allow this holiday season to make you get a little anxious or like, oh, I'm not doing enough. Oh, this right. Listen, you are doing great. You are doing amazing. Long as you have great intentions, you're sharing love, and you have love in your heart, let me tell you something. That's all that matters. Show your family love. Love, love, love. And make it the best that you can make it with what you have, because a lot of times we think that what we have is not enough, and what we have is way more than enough than we can ever dream of. And as you continue to be grateful in that state, watch how everything else just flows right to you. So this is day 7 of our Loops and Beads Advent Calendar. Thank you all so much for being a part of my amazing crochet family, because I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you for day 8 tomorrow.